Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Haval H6, stock number 6456. This ran from the second 2021 to the current shape. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4N 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,